What's up YouTube, Naomi here, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how I achieved this really cute style as well as how to flat twist your hair. So keep watching so you can see how. It's kind of hard to actually explain how to flat twist, so you want to pay close attention to this next part. What you're going to do is grab a small section in the front and split that into two smaller sections. Then you're going to take the piece on top and pull it downwards while adding some of the hair that was left out. Continue to repeat that same process and make sure you keep a tight grip until you get to the nape of your neck, or whichever way you choose to flat twist. That way the twist will not become too loose. Once you get to this point, you want to just continue the twist downwards like a normal two-strand twist. And then when you get to the bottom, add a little bit more gel and twirl it around your finger to actually keep some hold. Here I'm just using my Denman brush to make sure that the rest of the twist is smooth. Alright, and this is my finished product. Because I did these bigger flat twists and my hair tends to kind of expand once I actually let go of the tension of the twist, I actually just like to put it in these cute little buns, and it turns into this really cute hairstyle, and it's actually one of my go-to styles. But yeah, this is the finished product. It's super cute. You can go ahead and lay your edges however you please, and boom, you are done. Alright everyone, and that is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.